Alright, I got some new parts. I'm just gonna go over the new parts with you. Got demolition, 3-piece cranks, 22mm hollow spindle. Got the Odyssey twisted white pedals, Verd React 25-tooth chain wheel, Odyssey J-Light pegs. I'm not sure if I went over the hub. I got Odyssey Hazard V3 hub and the shadow seat. Do a sound check real quick on the hub. And that's just hand spinning it. I'm supposed to be getting a new shadow front hub and an alienation rim, and fit FAF folding, or I don't know, probably just fit FAF red wall tires. So yeah, thanks for watching.